Life cycle of butterfly. I had a guest in my garden. It's the mother commonmormon butterfly. She had come to lay eggs on our lemon plant. Next day I searched for the eggs and found one tiny egg which looked like a pearl. I was excited to see the egg hatch into tiny larvae after 3 days. The larva ate the lemon leaves happily for 5 days and grew bigger in size day by day. Then suddenly next day it had changed its look and had become green color caterpillar. The caterpillar ate lemon leaves for another 4 days. Then it became pupa. It remained as pupa for 10 days. Then finally next morning I woke up to see that the caterpillar inside the pupa had transformed into a beautiful butterfly when it came out. I had to wait 1 full month to see it grow from a tiny egg into a beautiful butterfly. I happily watched it fly away. Bye.